Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We come back in another video. So, as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us only here in the daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours. And if you are a scalper and a day trader in 30 minutes, and my advice to you to watch all the time frames. Know exactly the analysis in multi-time frames, but depending on your time and those things. So choose the time frame you want to watch. So let's start our lesson of today, guys. So as you see here, a daily candle here, it's finished today, and it's another red day. So that 5 days also we've been here falling in Bitcoin here from here till today here, but there is nothing new, guys. Here I told you before me, we got here inside bar like that. Till now we haven't broken up and we haven't breaking down here. So till now also we still waiting where is the market is going to break. It might from here, that level here, you're going to see the Bitcoin going back upward here. So till now also we still waiting what's going to happen in the coming days, because why we see all that falling down today here in the stock market everywhere, because the Fed interest rate will come, they increase interest rate by 0.25, then it came the unemployment rate will come a little bit positive. So that meant the Fed, they are going to increase interest rate more and they are not going to pivot in 2023. That way you see people till now they are scared a little bit because the Fed is still hawkish, like a word like that, or it man is going to increase interest rate more and they are not going to reduce interest rate in 2023. As man, they are not going to pivot, because a pivot how is going to be? Fed it's been increasing, it reached to a level here, then it started lowering interest rate. That the pivot here, and the Fed, he said that pound clear, they are not going to reduce interest rate in 2023. That's why you see that indecision here. Plus today the 10-year yield, they rose 3.6% like that. Even that one is got a very bad impact to the market, and also we are going there. So also here in the daily we don't got nothing new. It just came here to that candle here, that one, and you do it like that and like that. And you're still waiting where is the market is going to go. Either we're breaking up here, it's going to go higher. If it's breaking down here, it's going to go back to the 200 moving average. Also now we're still waiting where is the market is going to go. And here in my chart, what may I got? We're breaking here, the trend line here. We go back up till here. Maybe that one is going to go back to touch it here. Then after that to go back up. Also we're still waiting. And the two lines here, that one here and that one here, those ones every Friday, if you are new here, every Friday we analyze for the options where there is majority of the puts and the calls. So the puts, they are here at 22k and the calls, they are here at 25k. Let me show it to you like that. As you see them over here, the calls, and over here the puts. So those people, if it reach the Bitcoin here, they are going to sell. If it fall down here, they are going to buy, and for them it's cheaper to buy 22k. That's why what majority of people they saying, but now me I don't believe no one. Me I believe in the chart what they're telling me. The chart is showing me here also we are sideways here. So till now I'm still waiting what the market is going to give me here. He tried to give us here like a double top here, but till now the neckline is it here. As you see it, let me show it to you. As you see it now, when we change it from chart to lines, you see here the market, he tried to give us here like a double top here. The neckline is it here down. If it came and break a lower here, we are going to enter short again. Till now also still waiting what the market is going to tell us. That's it. That's the only thing I can say now. But at this moment there is nothing new. Everything is too clear here. Now it's going to see the coming news for tomorrow for pictures to get more clear to you. Here we are. That's the coming news for tomorrow. As you see it here, we got that one short-term energy outlook and there is trade balance, but that one it's not a major news. Then we got Fed Chair Powell speech at 5:40. As you see it, GMT time. So that one you need to make a very close eye what he going to say, because tell now what he done in the press conference of him, it's hard in US economic. So he's going to come to tell something to the investors to make them not to be worried. Because if you see here in the table of us, what you see in here, all US stocks today, they are red and they finished the day red. And that's something very bad. Plus here, the VIX today, we are very close to break above 20. It's 19.43. Even that one, it's something very bad. That's when scarcities go back to the market and people now they're getting fear of recession in US economic. Plus here, even the US dollar today, it go back up from 101 till 103 as you see it here. Even that one is very, very bad. So let's wait in tomorrow what the Fed is going to tell investors. Maybe going to say something to make investors to feel comfortable about US economy, because still now there is a big fear of recession. That I think picture is very, very clear to you here. And you follow us, and us every day we came to you like that. We analyze for you the market. I think everything is too clear here. Now it's going to see the Bitcoin, what it's doing today in the 4 hours. So it's going there. Here we are in the 4 hours. Over here, we analyze only for swing trading. Remember that. Here, what else we said, and I just post a post in my Telegram channel for the people that follow me there. I told them if we break in here, that line here, also we are going to enter short. It's left a little bit for it, but if we break in here, also we are going to enter short. To draw that line, you came to those ones here, like that, and you draw in here a line like that. So you wait in a candle to come to break even those tails of those candles here, then you enter short. Why? Because over here we got a very clear megaphone, and also we still waiting the break to happen here. If it doesn't, there is no entry short. Also we still waiting what the market is going to do. Maybe from here it's going to go back up. For you to enter long, look with me what I'm going to do. You do it like that, and that one is going to be in 30 minutes. Very clear, but here you draw in a trend line like that. If it came and break it up here, you can enter long again. So till now also we're still waiting what the market is going to tell us in the coming hours. And you see here that double top I show you in the daily. Look at it here. In 4 hours, it's more clear, but the neckline is down here. Even that one here, the neckline is the same line me I told you. If it's getting broke here, also we are going to enter short. That's it. And we're going to close out the long position we open from 15K and 17K. Me I'm talking here about just swing trading. I'm not talking here about long-term traders or long-term investors. So now you still waiting here. What's going to happen, guys? Here at that line here, if the market is going to break or no. I think picture is getting more clear to you. Now it's going to see our indicator to get more clear to you. So it's going there. Why should we enter short? Because we got here the divergence. I show it to you in the previous videos, but that one is just an oscillator. Also we don't follow it. Also we follow the price action. Price action till now it hasn't breaking for us here, the line of that megaphone here. So if it's break it here, yes, we are going to enter short. So till now there is nothing new here. And here our indicator, it's breaking here that long term daily trend line here, that one. So that one maybe is going to go back, maybe not. Also we don't care about that one. Also we're caring now about the divergence trend line here. If it's going to fall down here to the oversold area or no. So till now us we still waiting what's going to happen. And now us we're changing from bulls who used to be controlling to the bears now, because now it's entered to the bears area. But till now it doesn't give us a price action. When it's going to give it to us we are going to enter short again. I think picture is getting more clear to you now. Let's go into our other indicator to get more clear to you. So let's go in there. That one here, we've been here at the overbought area for some time now, but it hasn't completed for us a price action. And know what I'm telling you, you're going to enter late, but you're going to enter in the safe side. Here, the only price action we have here is that one. If it came here and breaking here, also we are going to enter short. If it's not, maybe from here you're going to see it going upward, because still now there is no one entering short. It's just manipulation here. Even if you see in the volume, you're going to find the volume is very, very, very low here in the 4 hours. And even in the daily, it hasn't broken up that trend line. I think picture is getting more clear. And here, it started entering here to the oversold area as you see it. So maybe in the coming hours or coming days, it's going to break for us here. And also we're going to enter long again. We're going back with it till the top. So still now it's showing to us it's going to stay here in the two zones here for some time. Here and that one here in the top. Maybe from here it's going to go back up. Because that one, what can we call it, is an accumulation level. For those people, they buy from down to find people to sell to. That's why I told you, if it closes here, also we're going to enter a short position. I think picture is too clear. Now it's going to 30 minutes for scalpers and day traders. Here we are in 30 minutes. Here in 30 minutes, also we enter short from here, from that double top here when it's breaking here. People, they been with me from that candle here. Exactly, we enter short. Look where we are now. We are down here. And here, what I told you in the last video, I told you we got here a trend line here or a down channel here. Is the same downtrend we got in the 4 hours. That one maybe is going to fall down to touch it here. Or maybe it's going to go up and to break up. For us to enter long, it needs to break up here. Break that trend line also we got or the top of that channel. If it doesn't, it's going to fall down to touch the lower of it. I think everything is too clear. And also we enter another short from here. People, they be with us. We enter another short from here when it's breaking here. We enter another short. In the last video, I told you try to give you here like a cup and handle here. Like that, and I told you the neckline of that one is it here. Couldn't break it up, so there is no entry long. So till now there is no entry long here, and there is no price action indicating the market is going to reverse. And I'm going to show you why I'm still believing there is a reverse going to come, and it's going to come and to break up. Let me show you why. Our indicator, it's being here at the oversold area. That one here for some time now. Look at it here, but not that one. We're going to tell me it's going to reverse. Let me show you why I'm still believing it's going to reverse. Let me show you why. And believe in me, it's going to reverse because of that one. Look with me here. What you got here, and look here what you got. You got a very clear divergence there, and even now it just touching the divergence line here. So for us to enter long, we need to come and we're drawing the trend line here. If that one came and breaking upward here, also we are going to enter long with it again. And remember those things, guys. So that's it for that video, and please don't forget to support us by just smashing that like button and to writing down a comment. So that's it for that video. See you in another video. Bye for now, guys.